Now, students, I am going to explain the second topic of second chapter. There is different forms of energy. Mainly so many forms are there, but mainly we are going to discuss about the two forms. Number one is potential energy. Second one is kinetic energy. First of all, what is potential energy? We are sitting. What type of energy we are having? We are having a potential energy. And if we start moving, taking a step, then what kind of energy? That is the kinetic energy. So where the potential energy goes? Is the potential energy ceased? Stop? No. The potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. So first of all, let us discuss about the potential energy. What is potential energy? Energy possessed by body. Body के अंदर है. कैसे है? At rest. When the body is at rest due to its position, जो उसने position ली है और उसके size में और shape में, that is the potential energy. You know, when you throw the any ball upward and it starts coming down, from which direction? At one point it start coming there. For few milliseconds the body stop. At that point the body is having a potential energy, and when it is in moving upward, the body is having a kinetic energy. And at that point where it stop for a millisecond, at that moment the body is having a potential energy and start falling down. At that time also the body is having a potential energy. So potential energy, so many examples are there, are of two types. Number one is gravitational potential energy. You know, when the body falls down, we throw the any body upward or any material upward, it's used to come down. Why? Because of the gravitational force, and that is the gravitational potential energy. Second one is elastic potential energy. You know, we are having a spring, and if we deform its position, then when it is deformed, at that time it is having a elastic potential energy, and if we remove the force from there, then again it comes to its original position because of elastic potential energy. So potential energy formula, potential energy is denoted by U, and its formula is mgh. What is m? Mass. What is g? Gravitational. And what is h? That is height. mgh, we are having a formula. So gravitational, sometimes they may ask, write the formula for the gravitational potential energy. Then what you have to write? U is equal to mgh. Second one, beta, we are having a kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, as I told you, it is in the motion. So energy possessed by body, body के अंदर एनर्जी है ड्यू टू स्टेट ऑफ मोशन. जो बॉडी मोशन में है उसके अंदर कौन सी एनर्जी है? किनेटिक एनर्जी. सो देन फॉर्मूला, राइट एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द किनेटिक एनर्जी, के इज इक्वल टू हाफ mv square. So students, this derivation is very important of, because sometimes they may ask, derive the expression for the kinetic energy. So you have to start from here. F is equal to mass into retardation. Retardation, you know very well, is the deceleration. So the negative force is called retardation. So F is equal to ma. Kinetic energy is equal to K is equal to retarding force into displacement F into S. यहाँ से equation start होती है. Initial initial velocity is denoted by U is equal to V. जो U है वो V के बराबर है. जो V है final, because body is at rest, then final velocity is V is 0. So we are having a acceleration, retardation na, that means negative acceleration is there. So V square formula we are having, V square is equal to U square plus 2a S. So V here, what is V? V is 0. So here put 0. What is the value of U? Is V. Then V square. Then acceleration is minus. So here comes minus. Then 2as goes to another side, becoming positive. Then we are having a S is equal to V square upon 2a. We are having a formula. And final formula we are having, starting K is equal to F into S. From here K is equal to F into S. So here F, value of F, what is the value of F? F is equal to m into A, that we have put here. S, here from here, S is equal to V square upon 2A, so 2A. So then we are having a this A and A cancel, we can write half into mv square, K is equal to half mv square. This relation is very important. Then sometimes they may ask the relationship between the kinetic energy and the momentum. In the 9th class we have discussed about the momentum. Okay, so product of velocity into acceleration is called as momentum. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Momentum is denoted by p, small p, that is mv. Okay, mass into velocity. Then formula, v is equal to p upon m, k is equal to half m into p upon m, that is here we are using the formula. Okay, we are putting the formula. So finally we have discussed p square is equal to 2mk, then p is equal to under root square root 2mk, or k is equal to p square upon 2m. So this sometimes they may ask this relationship also. So then in the ICSE, this is definition, sometime 1 marks definition they are asking, what is work energy theorem. From the name also only it is clear, वर्क होगा कब होगा, जब एनर्जी लगेगी. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम, द वर्क डन बाय द फोर्स, वर्क कैसे डन हुआ, बाय द फोर्स, किसके ऊपर हुआ, ऑन ए मूविंग बॉडी, किस डायरेक्शन पे हुआ, इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, दैट इज इक्वल टू क्या हुआ, फिर अगर फोर्स लगा, बॉडी मूव की, तो बॉडी में क्या आएगा, इंक्रीज इन इट इज किनेटिक एनर्जी, देन दैट इज द वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम. ओके, सो no need to prove this one because they are not asking about this. So the different kinds of kinetic energy are there. Translational kinetic energy, translation means body is moving in the straight line, rotational means about its axis. Okay, so vibration means to and fro. Okay, अपनी body अपनी पोजीशन पे बॉडी वाइब्रेट करना. ओके, टू एंड फ्रो करना, दैट इज वाइब्रेशन kinetic energy. So read all these topics. So conversion of potential energy to kinetic energy and some another conversions are there. Try to read this topic, and if you have a doubt, so all different types of energies are there which we have discussed in the 9th class also. If you have a doubt, you can ask to me anytime freely. So this definition is also this diagram is also very important because the energy conversions are there. In dynamo motor, what type of energy conversion is there, mechanical energy to electrical energy. In the electric iron, what type of energy conversion is there, electrical energy into heat energy. So this type of energy conversions they can ask. So this is very important. Try to read all those things, very easy to understand. And last one is a degraded energy. So what is degraded energy? The useful energy, but we are not using that one. Okay, so the while transforming of energy from one form to another, some energy is used in the heat and some are in the another purpose they are using, but that is not useful for us. So the conversion of energy to the undesirable, that is non-useful, is called as dissipation of energy. Try to read this topic better and try to solve the answers. Thank you.